Hi guys, so today has been a weird day, but I just got this Spellbinders. My monthly craft kits are in. So any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. And the reason I'm just like a little like thinking about it is because yeah, this came in today and it's Sunday. And I noticed last Sunday my mailman also delivered something like at 6 in the morning. I was awake and I was sitting outside. I was like, what the heck? And he just dropped off whatever it was. I can't even remember what it was right now. So I don't know what they have going on or if they have some deals or maybe in December they just deliver 7 days a week packages. I have noticed that sometimes they do that packages, right? On Sundays they won't deliver like regular mail, but either way, I digress. Yeah, it's just been a long day. I've been doing things that are fun for me, like crocheting. I'm starting to do some tablet weaving with my inkle loom. I'm doing things that interest me that maybe don't interest everybody, so I don't really put it on my channel. But and right now, I don't know if you can hear, I'm using my food dehydrator for the first time ever, and I bought it like, I don't even know how many years ago, a secondhand, and real cute. And I'm like, well, maybe I don't even have everything it needs, but everything was there, and I literally got it for like $5. So anyway. And that's going on there, and we made some fruit leather, and it's really great. So made my fruit cake just because I wanted to try that out. I had to start that last night to soak the bits in brandy and all that. So I've just been doing a lot of things for myself this weekend that I think are fun. So I got caught up in that. Also, I didn't really have a lot to show because I'm just waiting for our Cyber Week stuff to come in. The only things that have been coming in are the HSN items. But like I said, anything I showed you guys, I pretty much bought from all those same places this whole last couple weeks. So Impression Obsessions, Spellbinders, I made a dent there. Tonic, another Art Impression, everybody. I'm just waiting for my stuff to come. So this is the Spellbinders. This is the club kits. So this is separate from like if you were just to order things. I have tons of videos on how to manage your club. Once you're a member of the club, you get 10% off their site. The price is just in the price that you see. It's not something that comes off at the end or whatever. But the price you see already has the 10% off reflected there. So it's a little different. This month they do have Merry Member Appreciation. I'm assuming it's in here somewhere because I don't see it on top, but you're going to get a free gift, which is basically their this stuff, their tape. And I don't know where I put the little lid, but it's pretty good stuff. Like I used it. It's kind of cool because I would say kind of, it is cool. It has like little strips and they're just together. So you can go in circles and stuff and it'll still move with you, but it's like these little bits. So like little strips. So really cool tape dispenser. All right, guys, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to put a little note at the beginning like, hey, I'm just gonna talk because this whole weekend I haven't really chatted with you guys. I put up videos that I had recorded earlier or like years ago even, right? And then my kombucha video, which I've been holding on to, I want to release it. I don't know when to release it. So finally I was like, I'll just let it go this morning. So you guys might have seen that. I used to make kombucha and I'm thinking maybe I should start it up again. I don't know. Okay, so anyhow, this is the small die of the month, the large die, and the card kit, which is what they call Kit and Caboodle. It's a value club, so you get a discount. And I'm telling you guys, if you're interested in it all, the small die kit is $15. I mean, if you plan on spending even $100 with Spellbinders, you might as well get your discount and get this for basically free, right? Because you get 10% off, you know what I'm trying to say. But if you do the large and small die together, this is only like $5 more compared to the price of just the large die. Like they do a pretty good deal with the value clubs. So obviously they want you to get into the value clubs. So this month I did skip the APG. I usually get the Works just because I already have something similar and it's really gorgeous, but it just wasn't for me this month. So I went with Kit and Caboodle. And this one's called Daydreaming. And as you can see, I hadn't noticed that the little window, you can do it in two different ways. So you have this little square. And even if you just want to put the square on a card, like something cute, you don't have to use it as a window. It has this cute little area right here. This is like my bedroom window. It has a cool little arch or dome, whatever, on top of it. Some people here, they have it on their downstairs. And I told my husband, I'd be so much prettier if we had it at the downstairs. Like, and upstairs, who cares? Like, downstairs it's more, and you see their Christmas tree in there with the little arch. And anyway, that's what we have here. Lots of things you can splice into there or cut into there. Obviously, these are to make your little other pieces, but I like the way they put it all together there. Wish upon a star, happy together, dream big. We have the little moon. I mean, the cat. That's what I had seen in the sneak peer view of it, and I was like, he is so cute, the little cat. And then some clouds and like just a bunch of other little things you can decorate with. And on this, oh wow, this is Yes, that is really cute. So of course I will tutorialize all these things. I apologize again for just being chatty because it's just me and the kids right now too. Matt is out in the field. If you guys know, he's a Marine, so he'll be gone for another week or so. So I don't know. I just had a good weekend. Just chilling, but at the same time I was like, I want to chat with you guys, you know. I do have some things that came in from HSN, but not enough to like do a whole video. I'm not going to add it to this video. So I'll show you those things maybe tomorrow after the launch of the tonic monthly kit. Tomorrow morning you'll see that. So okay, so this is Look Behind the Curtain. This is the large die of the month, and I thought this was super cute. I'm not 100% sure how the mechanism works, but basically you're gonna move this. It's for like a card front, and then you move these little things, and then behind the little curtain you'll have your message or whatever it is. So this is very basic. This is basically just the curtain and the mechanism, right? There's nothing else here. Like they're pairing it up with this guy if you wanted. They pair it up with the ballerina stamps. I know that was a cute example of that. So basically these things move, curtains open and close. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, I love this, guys. I love it so much. Okay, so I will tutorialize that very soon. And I'll go ahead and unbox the card kit of the month, which I thought was just lovely. I love everything that was in this. I was like, yes, 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 you know, I'm all about it. Oh, wow. Oh, it was more than one thing. Okay, cool. I thought it was just gonna be the tape runner. So you got the tape runner and the journey dots free this month. And these are just like, I guess like those little pop dots. Cool. Oh, I love it. I really like this runner, so that's really great, and I haven't used those dots before, so I like that. So this month's kit is called Heart Hands, and okay, so they're monthly kits, and it's so funny, like sometimes I'll forget. They always come with adhesive, you guys. They always come with your liner adhesive, that kind of thing, and your dimensional, which is really fun. I think this is I love that. So we have that, and then, you know, they always have your die cut shapes, and there are, I don't want to say thousands, there's, I would say hundreds, easily, card pieces in here, should I say, die cut shapes. It might even say on the kit. No, it doesn't. No, yeah, it's just tons. And there's 2 of each, and, you know, sometimes you can make a quick card with just these, with some paper, or however you want to do it. It's really cute. Your chipboard stickers, which I just love the colorway this month. I mean, look at this. Oh, a little bit artsy. Oh, this can go back with the cute little, the art, the one that made the easel a few months ago, the large die kit. So some sequins. I think last month they also had the gold sequins, if I'm not mistaken. Well, let's just talk about the card bases, which always have a nice texture. And then they come with the envelopes. There's 10 of each. And the paper, we'll get to that in a minute. I'm just trying to leave the meat and potatoes of these things to the end. How cute are these pieces? These feel like just a nice cardstock weight. And then they even have little washers on them. How cute is that? The little tags. Yeah, they're a little thinner than like a heavy cardstock. Thicker than layering weight, thinner than a good cardstock. And then the little bubbly kind of like plastic jet puff stickers, which are always reminiscent of the 80s to me. Whenever I see those, it reminds me when I was a kid. And then the papers. I love this gold paper. Look at this color palette. It is gorgeous. I love it. I'm trying to get them all. I'm sure I'm missing a piece because I can feel that's too thick right there, but look at this. So pretty. I love that peach kind of coral color. So put that there. So again, it's called Heart Hands. Well, is it? I already forgot now. Let's see. Yeah. Which, again, is very trendy, I think. So really cute. So we have our stamps. I love that silhouette. Just love it. I wear a bun every day. Not that high. Well, sometimes I wear it high because my niece one time saw, a lady on one of those, what's that show? Like Say Yes to the Dress type show or something. And one of the ladies always wears her hair in a bun real high. She's like, oh, I love, she always is always dressed up and she always has her, I'm like, oh, is that a cool thing? So then I started wearing my bun higher. Anyway, that's how I, do it. Just listen to what my kids are thinking are cool, or my nieces and nephews. Really cute. I just love this. I love the cameo kind of look of this. I mean, everything about this, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And I'm assuming that's some kind of layering thing here, maybe for a little cuff, or I don't know. We'll see what's over here. And then we have the heart hand dies. So the die set will cut the hands that look like the little heart hand like this. And then it has like a background layer. It's kind of like the die set I just used recently from like June. The small die of the month with the little flowers in the hand. And then some little, like just delicate little like silhouette flower. I just love it. I think that's so cute. I don't know, I can't show it. Yeah, I can't tell if there's more in there, but that's what that is. And the heart hands paper, and I thought I had added one, but you know what I think about it? I think when I skipped, I just didn't browse and add more paper, because whenever you sign up, you can browse before it's time for your club to be billed, and you can add paper and stuff like that, or add more stickers or whatever they offer you there. So we have the heart hands paper, and I mean, look at this cool peace sign. I love this pattern. Yes, this month, I mean, look at, love it. Look at this. I keep telling you guys, look at this like you're looking around somewhere else, right? The foiling. Oh, this is so, I love it. I'm gonna have to pick up more of this paper next time I make an order on Spellbinders. So what happens is once they release it, they'll release the paper like on the site too. And you get 10% off that too. Oh, that is adorable, the embroidery hoops. Oh, gosh. Okay, guys, well, I hope you guys are having a great night, great day. I did do a lot of things just kind of for me this week, and you know, that's a good thing to do this weekend. Look at that. Oh, and talking about good things to do, another thing I did this week, which is yay! I know people love it. I had my mammogram. I didn't have one the last 2 years. The first time I did one was 2 years ago when I turned 40. And then I didn't go last year. Oopsies. And I went this year. And what's funny is later, the next day I was talking to my mom and she's like, oh, well, yesterday I had my mammogram. I was like, you did? Because I had mine or earlier. Whatever. It was the same day, basically. So while she was having hers, I was having mine, basically, which we didn't even know, which is funny. So check on those things, girls. It's not even that uncomfortable, and maybe it's because, you know, I don't know. I guess maybe it's the whatever you got going on, but for me, they can do whatever they do and it does not hurt, so it's fine. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're all doing well. And like I said, taking care of ourselves, doing what we gotta do. And I know even a couple of my, actually more than a couple, a few of my subscribers have said that they also recently or are getting over coronavirus. So please take care of yourself, guys. And ladies, the ones who let me know, you know, we already talked obviously in the chat here and comments. I hope you guys are doing much better, feeling better, and I will see you guys at the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye now.